Approach, Martin 495. Good morning.
They're now less than half an hour from landing. There are 13 crew members and 327 passengers on board.
Thank you.
Most are residents of the Netherlands. Flight 495 is near the end of a 2.5-hour trip from Amsterdam to Portugal's Faro Airport.
Oh. It's raining cats and dogs over there.
As they descend towards Faro Airport, the pilots expect to encounter some bad weather. When a thunderstorm moves over an active runway, the potential for wind shear can make it too dangerous for an aircraft to land. If the weather worsens, they can divert north to Lisbon, but right now it isn't necessary.
Martin Air 461, runway visual.
Just minutes ahead, another Martin Air flight is landing at Faro.
Clear to land, runway 11.
The weather report indicates the closest thunderstorm is approximately 7 miles to the west of the runway.
495 is turning inbound.
8 miles out, Martin Air 495 starts its final approach to runway 11. They descend into the rain clouds, confident the nearest thunderstorm is still miles away.
495, report at minimums or runway in sight.
Runway surface conditions are flooded.
Roger, 495.
With wet runway conditions, the crew configures the plane to make what's called a positive landing. 4 miles from touchdown, the pilots make their final checks.
Spoilers. Arm. Flaps, slats. 50, land.
Martin Air 495, cleared to land runway 11. The wind, 150, 15 knots, maximum 20.
Cleared to land.
Flight 495 is less than a minute from touching down, when the weather gets much worse.
Windshield anti-ice. I can't see anything.
I'm on it.
Wipers are on fast.
The plane is now just a few seconds from landing. Flight 495 slides more than 350 feet off the runway at Faro Airport. Firefighter and rescue crews race to the site. Incredibly, many of the passengers and the flight crew survive. Of the 340 people on board, 54 passengers and 2 cabin crew members are dead, making this one of Portugal's worst aviation disasters in more than a decade.